All right, so let's go to Safari. Then we're going to go to Spur. Spur open. Crap, where is it? Dang it. There we go. And then we scroll down. Do we scroll down? Let's see what it looks like. All right, that's what the website looks like. Then we go to There is Wendell. Then we go to View Store. And look it. That's us. That's Pomi. That's us. That's us. Look it. This is us, you guys. This is it. Oh, I'm going to change this. I don't like how the background look on the computer, on the laptop. I'm going to change it. Look it. So we have the small to large and the XL to the triple XL. So it's 4M and 3M. So we'll have two sizes so far. The company I use only have two. So we'll have